Okay, class, as we discussed before, a system of equations is when you have more than one equation. Now, we're going to look at today why we need more than one equation to solve a system. So, think about the following. If I tell you square plus triangle equals 10, square and triangle are placeholders for numbers. Let's say x and y. What two numbers add up to make 10 or have a sum of 10?
7 and 3.
7 and 3. What else?
8 and 2.
Mm-hmm.
9 and 1.
9 and 1.
10 and 0.
10 and 0.
5 and 5.
5
12
and 5.
and negative 2.
Good. I like that you thought about negatives. 12 and negative 2. What else?
11, negative 1.
Nice.
Negative 10 and 20.
Awesome.
Negative 8, 18.
Great. And we can keep going on
Infinitely.
infinitely. So is it possible to know exactly what x and y are?
No.
No, there's too many possibilities. Now, we could graph these possibilities on here. So this is our x and our y, which was our square and our triangle number. So when if x is 1, what does y have to be to have a sum of 10?
9.
So we're going to plot that 1, 9. 2,
8.
2, comma 8.
2, 8. 3.
7.
What if we go back to 0? 0 and what?
0, 10.
0, 10.
Nice. 4,
6.
5.
5.
So we can keep plotting these points. Okay, what do you notice is happening with these points?
It's linear.
It's forming a straight line. Okay? So these points stand for solutions. They're all possible solutions.
Wouldn't it be going up into the negative direction as well?
Exactly, that's why we put that arrow, because it goes on forever in both directions. So every point on this line stands for the possible pairs of numbers that have a sum of 10. Okay, all of these points on a line are called solutions. But as you can see, do we have one solution?
No.
There's an infinite amount of solutions. So if I want to know exactly what x and y is, I need more information. What if I tell you y equals 3?
Then x
Well, then we
equals
can
7.
do
X
subtraction.
equals 7.
Has
Plug
to
this
be
back in.
7, right? So we have now an exact point that we can look at. We can look at when y equals 3, x has to be 7. And we see that point is right in line with the other ones. Now, what if I tell you that y equals x plus 2? I'm not telling you exactly what y is, but I'm giving you a relationship. This relationship here means, the word equals means is. So y is whatever x is plus 2. So y is 2 units greater than x.
Or you can use the greater than sign.
Well, we're focusing a little more on addition here, but yeah, I like that you noticed that. Y is 2 units greater than x. So which pair, and it still has to have a sum of 10. So now we have two conditions. Y has to be 2 units greater than x, but it also has to have a sum of 10 with y.
So could it be 6 and 4?
Let's try it.
Y is 6 and x is 4.
That adds up to 10.
And 6 is greater than 2 units greater than 4.
But in this case, x is 2 greater than
Well, then
4. We can flip it around, 4 and 6. So if we make this x and this y, is y 2 units greater than x?
Yes.
Do they have a sum of 10?
Yes.
So this is our unique solution. So we can go to our graph, 4, 6. So that's the point we want. But are there other points that also have the y equals x plus 2 relationship?
maybe.
What other numbers have a difference of 2?
That equal to 10.
We want pairs of numbers. They don't have to equal to 10. We're going to look at just this equation,
4 and 6. 5
which is the one we just came up with, 4 and 6.
5 and 7.
5 and 7.
4 and 2.
So we want y to be 2 units greater than x.
2 and 4.
2 and 4. Let's plot these points as well. So you said 5, 7. And you also said 2, 4. What do you notice about these points? What if I do 3? What would the other number have to be?
5.
5.
So let's plot that 3 and What do you
It's a
notice?
it's a straight line of solutions.
Also formed a straight line of solutions.
But it's.
So these points here are also solutions to this
But they're
y
on the
equals x
y
plus 2.
equals-
But what do you notice about both lines?
They're singular.
So this is a solution, but what is true about this solution?
It's unique.
It's a unique solution to which equation?
Both.
Both. So this is a solution to the system of equations. 4 comma 6 satisfies x plus y equals 10 and y equals x plus 2.
But what if it was y equals x plus the absolute value?